Let me show you how to make these delicious and nutritious gluten-free sweet potato oat muffins. They are super yummy, healthy, and really easy to make. To make these sweet potato muffins, mix 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds with 3 tablespoons of cold water. Give it a good mix and leave it aside for now. Next, take 2 cups or 200 grams of gluten-free oats and place them in a blender or food processor. Cover with the lid and blend on high speed until they reach a flour-like consistency. This typically takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Then, add half a cup or 100 grams of organic cane sugar to the oat flour and 1 tablespoon baking powder and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon and a pinch of salt, and blend it for 30 seconds just to mix all the ingredients really well. Now, pour the dry ingredients into a mixing bowl and add 1 cup or 250 grams of mashed sweet potatoes. Just make sure it is not hot. Then add 6 tablespoons of smooth almond butter. Then give all the ingredients a really good mix until everything is well combined. An electric mixer can be really helpful here, as you can see. Next, add 1 cup or 235 milliliters of unsweetened almond milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and add all the ground flax seeds that we mixed with water earlier. Now give all the ingredients another good mix till you get a smooth and even batter. Next, generously scoop the muffin batter into each muffin tin. You can fill them quite generously, about 2/3 full, as there is no need to worry about them overflowing during baking. Bake the sweet potato muffins in the preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for approximately 25 to 30 minutes, or until they turn golden brown on top and fill your kitchen with an absolutely delightful aroma. Remove the muffins from the oven and let them cool for 10 minutes. Once the muffins are cooled down a bit, carefully remove them from the paper muffin liners. These sweet potato muffins taste really cozy, blending the sweetness of sweet potato with warm spices. They are wonderfully soft in texture, with oat flour giving them a really nice consistency and nutty flavor. If you like these healthy sweet potato muffins, then check out also how to make these scrumptious sweet potato and oat
cookies
here. Check it out now!